So we're here at the launch of Mercedes-Benz EQE, which is their smaller, kind of mid-size premium electric saloon. So EQE corresponds to E-Class. And so this is a shrunken version of the EQS. In fact, it looks so much like the EQS. If it wasn't for the tires and wheel package, I wouldn't tell. One variant, EQE 350 Plus, which can go up to 690 kilometers on a single charge and has a 292 PS single electric motor for 420,000 ringgit. Exciting car, the 5th EQ model to launch by Mercedes-Benz this year. And let's take a look around. So inside the EQE is very much Mercedes-Benz. You have a very big layout over here like the EQS, except you're missing the hyperscreen. So you have one center screen over here, and of course for the driver, the center display. And this is an AMG line, so actually the seats are more sporty. There's Alcantara material, a bunch of LEDs decorating the entire interior. No panoramic roof though. It feels futuristic, yes. Luxurious, yes. Maybe not as luxurious as the EQS because no hyperscreen, but personally I like this more simplified LCD layout right here. So as you notice, the door handles actually come out and come in automatically, but the door itself doesn't sound or doesn't feel so solid. Finishing is great, materials are great, except maybe just doesn't feel that Mercedes-Benz structure, you know, that solidity. Also, the construction for the materials is great up here, but then you go down, pretty hard plastics. All right, in the back seats, because this is electric, the wheelbase is much extended. You have more room at the back over here. Look how much legroom I have. It's just so commodious. And the seats themselves actually like kind of curve in this way. So I see it's very comfortable compared to the E-Class. It is way more comfortable actually. I can really get comfortable in here, go for a nap, whatever. It feels luxurious, but a little bit sporty with this Alcantara material. Overall, the finishing is very nice. 420k. That's a pretty good deal. This car can go over 600 kilometers on a single charge, which is pretty impressive. Again, you have this. It's not a completely flat floor, despite it being electric. You have this sort of like structural material down here, so that I guess in terms of the actual chassis, it's more rigid or whatever. But otherwise, nice car.